Have you ever wondered what makes up your body? Plants, animals, everything that is alive. The answer is the cell. Cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. From a tiny bacterium to the human brain, all living organisms are made of cells. In this video, we'll explore cell structure and function in a simple and easy way. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life, capable of carrying out all vital functions like metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Cells were first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cells can exist independently, like bacteria, or work together in groups to form tissues and organs in multicellular organisms. Types of cells. Cells are broadly classified into two types. 1. Prokaryotic cells, found in bacteria. No true nucleus, no membrane-bound organelles. Genetic material floats freely in the cytoplasm. 2. Eukaryotic cells, found in plants, animals, fungi, and humans. Have a true nucleus, contain membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria and a. Now, let's understand the structure of a typical eukaryotic cell. Cell structure and functions. Cell wall, plant cells only. Rigid outer layer, made of cellulose, provides shape, support, and protection. Cell membrane, plasma membrane, thin, flexible boundary around the cell, controls movement of substances in and out, maintains internal balance of the cell. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid inside the cell, holds all organelles, site for most chemical reactions. Nucleus, control center of the cell, contains DNA genetic material, regulates growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, produces energy in the form of ATP. More mitochondria equals more energy demand. Endoplasmic reticulum. Two types. Roughy R has ribosomes, helps in protein synthesis. Smoothie R produces lipids and detoxifies harmful substances. Ribosomes, small structures found freely or on rare site of protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus, modifies, packages, and transports proteins. Acts like the post office of the cell. Lysosomes, known as suicide bags, contain digestive enzymes, break down waste and damaged organelles. Chloroplast, plant cells only, contains chlorophyll, site of photosynthesis, converts sunlight into food. Vacuole, large in plant cells, small in animal cells, stores water, nutrients, and waste, maintains turgor pressure in plants. Conclusion. To sum up, cells are tiny but powerful units of life. Each cell organelle has a specific structure and function, and together they keep the cell alive and functioning smoothly. Understanding cell structure helps us understand how life works at the microscopic level. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biology videos.